Today we are harvesting maize, fresh maize. When we harvest the maize, it comes from the garden straight to the buyer. Sometimes when we harvest the maize, it gets delivered to the buyer's destination. Some buyers want it cleaned and delivered to their addresses, while others take it in sacks straight from the garden. Today the buyer is taking her maize in sacks. She resells this maize at the local market and makes some profit too.
Ngera ya Uganda yakweyiya munansi nogayoka eminwe nogenda weyiya sikyo anti ogera n'oyokya n'ofunayoka ekikumi abaana ne bafuna amata n'ekyokulya. Ekikebe n'ofuna renti. Olwokusatu tokola bulungi. Ennaku endala zo babeerayo. Olwokusatu tebajja. Baba batono. Oba abamu baba bakugenza emirimu mirala.
So this particular client has been doing this business for about 3 years. She changes crops. When it's a season for maize, she will sell maize. When it's a season for sweet potatoes, she will be selling sweet potatoes. So she keeps changing depending on the season, because there it's a bit cheaper when you buy something in its season. When it's not a season for a particular crop, those who have that crop tend to sell it at a higher price. Because it simply costs a bit more to grow that particular crop. The farmer has to invest a bit more to allow that crop to flourish out of season, which in turn makes the crop a little bit more expensive. But overall, for the most sellers, they like to sell what is in season, just so they can maximize their profits.
Chirungi mutuwete tenkanya mpola mpola. Kale
Sometimes we dry up the maize and sell it dry, or make maize brand, which you can use for food consumption. Here in Uganda, we eat it as posho, or you could say posho paste, posho with hot water. The maize brand that you make, you can use some hot water and create a very delicious meal, which we call here posho. It's like a paste, but it's quite firm.
Yes. bw'atuuka naye naye agenda akala kati osobola omukongola omugyamu akawunga n'okuwemmere n'okutuusaako akasooya empeke